with your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser, so that it will be easy to you to solve it in the notebook, and then I give the final answer in the Google form. Once again, good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, Vedansh, you were telling something.
Yes, ma'am. Shaurya called me that his net is not working, so he is not able to attend.
So, will he able to attend the class today?
Ma'am, he will not be able, but he is telling that if you will send in classroom, he will do like this.
Okay. So now listen to me all. I'll give the instructions once again. Keep your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser with you, so that if you need for the rough work, rough calculation, you will able to do it. Read the question carefully. Once you read and once you try to understand it, you'll be able to give the answer, because they are very simple questions have been asked. You in the this we are not able to take the test of drawing the graphs, but definitely I'm asking, I have tried to ask all the concepts in the Google form. Okay, so first the basic thing is try to understand the question, try to see that what they are asking and give the appropriate answer. Am I clear? Now I'm going to present my screen. First I will read the form, then I will send the link in the classroom, then you are allowed to attempt it. Ma'am has written some instructions which I have given. She has written in the chat box. Please go through it.
Ma'am, we have to write in capital or small?
Grushika, you can write it any handwriting. When I was explaining, you were not there at your place. You can write it any way, small, capital, whatever you know about that question, you write everything, because that I am going to check. Now I am going to present my Google form. Are you all able to see it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, I'll start with the first question. There are 15 total questions, one each mark. Each question is of 1 mark. So the first question is, the following pie chart depicts the distribution of favorite sports in a school. Tick the correct statement. You have to read all the three. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of depict?
Network issue, I was not
Depicts
able
means
to join.
shows. Pranchu, I have not done anything. You start now. I have not sent the link also. I am reading the questions. After that, I will send the link in the classroom. And please next time join on time. Depicts means shows.
I was not able to join, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Depicts means to show the distribution of favorite sports in a school. This diagram is showing some favorite sports along with their degrees, along with the percentage. You can easily understand by looking at that pie chart. So you have to say which statement is correct. You have to read all the three statements and you have to see each with along with the statement. You just see whether it is matches with the pie chart or not and take the correct statement. Only one statement is correct. Next is fifth graders, means fifth grade students in a school took a vote of their favorite colors and graph the results. If 20 more students choose yellow, which one will top the chart, yellow or blue? Refer to the following bar graph, give the answer. Next is the following pie chart shows the favorite beverages. Beverages, you know all the drinks of a few teachers in a school. Which beverage is least liked? So according to the color, the right hand side, they have given that this color is for tea, this is for coffee, this is for cola, this is for water, and this is for others. So you have to check and say which beverage is least liked. I hope you all are clear with the word least also. Next is question number 4. The following grades have been scored by the students in a mathematics test. Pick the correct statement. Same, Observe the graph carefully. Tick. Please mute your mics. Observe the graph carefully. Read all the three statements and find which statement is correct. And then tick. Fifth is the following bar graph depicts, Sam, depicts means showing the birthday of, please mute your mics. I'm really very much angry about this. I think I no need to remind again and again. The following bar graph depicts the birthday of students by month in a school. Tick the correct statement. Same, you have to observe the full graph and find which statement is correct. Sixth is if there are total 100 students, find how many students like football. See the graph and find how many students like the football. Seventh, Rima's class voted for their favorite snack. Snack, you all know that which we eat in the evenings also. Rima made a tally chart of the results. Find which snack is liked most. Most word is, I think, clear to you all. How many more children were absent on Monday than on Friday? Which animal is 22 in number? By seeing this tally marks, find which animal is 22 in number. Which is a graph drawn using vertical bars, a bar graph, a line graph, or a pie graph. Number 11th, information showed in circle is called which graph? Find earnings on Tuesday. This is a graph of given earnings. Earnings means income of different days. So you have to find on Tuesday how much is the earning according to seeing this line graph. What is the other name of pie chart used in your NCERT book? Chapati chart, pizza chart, or coin chart? Question number 14. Rajiv owns a food truck parked in center of the city. He sells burger, pizza, hot dog, and fried chicken. The tally shows that how many of each food items was sold on weekends. Observe this table and find which food item was sold the most. You have to write the name of that food item sold the most. Next, observe the table given below and answer the following question. How many food items were sold in all? So this is your CT. I hope you all have understood and tried to do it clearly. Yes. So now I'm going to send you the link. And as well as I will post in the classroom also. So in case if you log out because of any reason, you please, link is posted, please.
Yes, everyone. The link is posted. I think Renu ma'am is having a little bit of network issue. Okay, so she'll come back again. So everybody start, click on the link and start doing your CET. Ma'am has already instructed capital, small, anything can do. Okay. Keep your rough notebooks ready with you to do the calculations. Your notebook. Your pen, pencils, everything should be ready. Capital, small, anything can be done. Ma'am has already instructed. And if you turn on the CT, we can understand that you people, few of you can not be seen on the screen. Okay, so don't worry. We understand that much.
Sorry, children, because of, can you all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They have already started, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, because of network issue, I log out.
Yes.
So now I'm going to post it in the classroom also.
The link is already posted in the chat box. According to ma'am's instruction, capital, small, anything can be written, and keep your rough, books ready and pen, pencils for rough work. Yes, ma'am.
Link is again there in the chat box. Please log in. It is there in the classroom also now. If child leave the class and then submit me the CET form, sorry, I will not accept it because I know the attendance who all are here present in the class. Yes, Ishana, any problem?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm asking that in the question number 2, the yellow one, we have to write the color or the number or both.
But just a minute. For the question number
2.
2. You write the color
Okay, ma'am.
because they are asking which one will top the chart, yellow or blue.
Okay.
And children, if you think there are 2-3 answers or you are still confused, you write all the answers, whatever you know about that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Write in the chat box if any problem. If any child facing any difficulty in any question, write in the chat box. And write in short that read this question. Then I will read it for you. Question number 4. Okay. Ma'am, can you send the link in the chat box because I cannot open it from the classroom. Okay. Link is there in the chat box now again. Please log in, Prakurti. And for Om and Yash, I will read the question number 4 again. The following grades have been scored by the students in the mathematics test. Tick the correct statement. आपको इन तीनों में से you have to read all the 3 statement. First read first one and match it whether it is matching with that graph or not. Then read the second statement whether it is true according to the graph or not. And read the third statement. Whichever statement is true according to the graph, tick that statement. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Yash Malhotra, mute your mic. Yes, I will read question number 5. You were saying, Krishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Read that bar graph and find which statement is correct according to the given bar graph. First statement is correct, second or third. With each, see wherever the correct statement questions are there, no? With each statement, do you read?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am, this
Dhruvi.
is Dhruvi. Ma'am, because of internet issue, I could not able to complete the CET. I have not started only because of internet issue.
Oh, no problem. You start now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent the link.
Prakriti, I have sent the link again in the chat box. Okay, I will send it again. You please log in now, Prakriti. Children, wherever you find the questions like this, take the correct statement. Out of the given statement, you have to match all the 3 statements. Read them and find them which one is correct according to the given graph. Someone was telling regarding the question number 7. Who told regarding question number 7?
Ma'am, I told.
Yeah, I will read. Rima class voted for their favorite snack. Rima made a tally chart of the results. Find which snack is liked most. You have to write the name of that snack which is liked most.
Okay, ma'am.
How many more children were absent on Monday than on Friday? If you're done, you submit, and after submitting, you start writing tables in your notebook, Vedansh. Those who are submitting their test, they will not leave the class. They start writing tables from 16 to 20 in their notebooks. Once CET is complete, yes.
When will you share the marks?
After checking it, Pranshu, in the classroom.
You are checking manually.
Yeah, I'm going to check it manually. Yashvi, you are doing? Yashvi, I'm asking from you. Are you doing your CET? Camera off.
Ma'am, I have sent you the CET.
Okay, good. Start writing tables in your notebook.
Ma'am, your screen is presenting.
Yeah, it's okay. I have done that. Pay attention what you are doing. Please pay attention. Yes, Hia. Any difficulty here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have raised your hand. That's why I'm asking.
No, ma'am.
Vansh Kalyani
Ma'am,
facing lot
I
of
have
issues.
submitted.
Good. If you have submitted, start writing tables from 16 to 20 in your notebooks.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Start writing tables in your notebook. You are not allowed to leave the class. Please start writing tables in your notebook. Grushika, please stop this now and pay attention there. Otherwise, time will up. Do it fast. Good, Om. Now start writing tables. No one is allowed to leave the class before time.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Good. I will write in the chat box that those who submitted, they start writing tables from 16 to 20.
Renu ma'am, even I have submitted.
Thank you,
But
ma'am.
I'm not able to, yeah, I'm not able to see many of the pictures inside.
Why?
I don't know, because of my some problem might be there. I am not able to see the graphs that you had sent.
So
So I
children,
might
you
get
you also
less marks.
facing same difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I can see all the pictures clearly. And we can see all the pictures that you have sent.
Yeah,
Yes,
maybe there's
ma'am.
an issue with my side.
Ma'am, you can attempt later on also.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write
Yes. You have to?
in math.
Yeah, tables you have to write in your maths notebook.
Send me my marks also, ma'am, afterwards.
Fine, fine. Ma'am, I'm going to release the full sheet with the students, then you can able to see.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, welcome.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done so when I am doing test, so I can't speak. That's why I can't give you answer.
Okay, Ashvi. Okay,
I
accepted.
have done.
Start writing tables.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from where?
16 to 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Because next chapter is related with tables only, multiplication and division.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
today
half
is
chapter is my next half chapter is finished, ma'am.
Very good, excellent, Branshu.
ma'am, today is my
Ma'am,
sister's birthday.
ma'am, my my worksheet is submitted or not?
I will check and yes, let you know. Please mute your mics, everyone. Mute your mics, Jaival. Others are doing the CET still.
My sheet is complete. Ma'am, my sheet is complete. So, my you have get or not, please, sir.
That I will check last 5 minutes. And please, if you want to convey me something, write in the chat box. Others are. Pranshu, mute your mic, please. There are 20 responses.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, Nishika.
and when will you tell the marks?
Nishika, once I will check, I will post in the classroom the complete response sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
From tomorrow, you children have Kanak ma'am will take the class of chapter number 13. Okay. Your next chapter will be taken by Kanak ma'am now from tomorrow.
Ways of multiply and divide.
Yes, that's why we are revising the tables here in this class. Yes, write one more time in the class now. Write one more time. Jaival, mute your mic. It's mute your mic, please.
Renu, ma'am, are you going to present something?
No, actually, to see them like this, that's why I've
Yeah.
done like
No,
this.
because then I'm not able to see everybody on the screen. That is why.
Okay, I will stop.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Children, last 5 minutes, I'll read the names, those who have submitted.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. Do we have to write all the answers in sentence or in a word?
In Word also you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Om Patel, are you attempting the CET, beta?
Ma'am, I have submitted.
He submitted, he is saying.
Okay.
Last 5 minutes, I'll read the names of the students, those who have submitted. Till now, I can see 28 responses. Okay.
Hiya Hapani, if you don't have any problem, please lower down your hand. Every time in ma'am's class, your hand is up only. And then I don't know why by mistake you do it.
Please here, lower your hand and start writing tables. Those who have submitted me the CET. You are not allowed to leave the class before time.
There again, she has raised the hand.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not doing it. Doing it.
Now
Okay.
you do. Now you don't do anything. I'll just lower it down. God knows
Maybe
what
some,
is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some problem is there in her set. Children, start writing tables. I'm repeating again and again. Start writing tables from 16 to 20. At last, when I read the names, if you will not be present in my class till the last, I'm really telling you, your CET will not be checked. Once I take the attendance at the last after reading your name in the Google form, you should say the present that time. So you have to be present till that time.
Renu ma'am, Kathan Soda has submitted because he has left the meeting.
Yes, I have. One, let me check, ma'am. Kathan Soda, Yash Malhotra, they are leaving.
Darsh Sonawala, he has also left the meeting.
Yash Malhotra's I got. Kathan Soda.
Ma'am, have you got mine?
I will read at the last. Let everyone do that. Please do not disturb them. Yes, Kathan Sodas I got. Wait.
Krishita, please write the tables if you have finished with the CET.
Ma'am, if ours is CET is done, so can we left?
No. Start writing. Your tables are done, Om Patel?
No, ma'am, you said no, you saying name, so that's why I stopped.
No, no. You please write the tables in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute your mic, please, Om. Yes, someone is showing me. Here.
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Here. Here, 16 to 20. Yes, this is 16. Now write till 20 here. Learn them also.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have submitted the CET.
Okay. Now start writing Kanan tables in your notebook. You still have 8 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Kanan, please stable your camera. Sit properly. Sit with your notebook. Start writing.
Ma'am, we have to write with the 10, 11, 7, 11 to 20, ma'am.
Kanan, 16 to 20. How many times are repeated in the class?
Okay, ma'am.
I think you children not listen even. Yes, please, Pranshu, go. Please, Daksh Patel, go.
Ma'am, now can you say the names which you have got respond?
Let everyone complete. Let everyone complete. Let me see how many responses are there. 39.
No, how it can be 39?
Ma'am,
In class there is only 33.
But when they entered, there were 44.
Okay.
There were 46, Renu ma'am.
Yeah. That's what I'm reminding them again and again. Please do not leave the class until
Ma'am,
your name will not be called.
ma'am, one time in English class there were 50.
Okay. Jaival, please mute your mic. I will only check the paper of the students, those who will be till the last. And at the last, I will take the attendance.
Maisha, please sit down, Maisha. And Yashvi, we are not able to see you, beta.
Maisha, stable your camera. Sit at one place, please.
Yeah, now better.
Children, at 10:48, I will start calling your names and writing the present in my sheet. I will present you truly. I will write present, and then I will check their papers only.
Kanan, what is happening, beta?
Ma'am, nothing.
Then please do your work. Ma'am has given you work.
Ma'am, I'm
And
doing only.
yeah,
Sit properly, Kanan. Sit this side. Yes. Okay, it's 10:48. Now I will call the names, right present in front of your name. Can you able, Madhuri ma'am, is my sheet visible?
yes, ma'am, we can see.
Purv. Children, you have to say present. Purv. Trisha.
Present.
Mannat. Pranshu.
Present.
Vedansh.
Present, ma'am.
Hiya.
Present.
Jaival.
Present.
Arna.
Present.
Arav Palaskar. Arav Palaskar. Daksh
He is
Patel. Daksh Bhavesh Patel.
Arav is there. Ma'am, Arav is there.
Okay.
Jaival, you don't speak in between.
Ma'am, Daksh Bhavesh Patel is there.
Let me check, ma'am. No, ma'am. Both the Dakshas are not there.
Om Patel.
No Vedansh.
Om Patel is there, ma'am.
No, ma'am, he left. I saw him. I saw he
Or
left.
Present, ma'am.
Vrushika.
Present, ma'am.
Yash Malhotra.
He also left. I saw him, he left.
Arush Verma.
Present, ma'am.
Vrishang.
Present, ma'am.
Yashvi. Dheer. Ma'am, Dheer is there.
Yes, he is there.
Not giving answer. Advika.
No, she left. She also left.
Nishika. Kathan.
Ma'am, present, Nishika.
Prakriti.
Be ready. You can see your names on the screen.
Prithvi.
No. Yes, yes, she is there. Prithvi.
Aryan.
Aryan, present.
Anubhavi.
Present, ma'am.
Children, if your name has been called, you can leave the class now. Time up. Krishita.
Don't disturb.
Don't disturb. No bye. You silently leave the class. Krishita. Dhruvi.
Present.
Aheli.
Present, ma'am.
Preet.
Ma'am,
Present,
present.
Mayank.
Present, ma'am.
Very good, Prayank. I'm listening your voice first time. Dar Sonavla.
No, ma'am, he is not there.
Ishana.
Present, ma'am.
Farah.
No,
Be
ma'am.
ready with your names. Farah is not there. Devanshi. Devanshi is there.
Devanshi is there.
Shivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmed.
No.
Kannan.
Present, ma'am.
Daksh Manoj Patel. Rudra Jalodra. Maisha.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Eva.
Eva is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Ma'am, my name has not come.
Bye, ma'am.